Did you know the Purple Mash has a complete online safety scheme of work that can be used from reception right through to year 6? You'll find it in the teacher area up here. Go to the planning tab and you're looking for 2BeSafe. Now remember, you can always use the search bar to find things as well. So if we type in 2BeSafe in the search bar, we'll also be able to access it that way. When you open it, you'll see you're presented with all the year groups here. Pick a year group. You'll then be presented with a range of online safety topics. Pick a topic, and then you are given a number of sessions. Each session comes with a pre-made PowerPoint slideshow. Download the PowerPoint slides and remember that these are completely editable. These lessons are designed as 15 to 20 minute lessons. They are meant to be whole class discussion based lessons which do not require the children to have access to devices themselves. Sometimes a session may also have a resource with it. This will be an online resource that opens up within Purple Mash. This could then be used as a whole class on your teacher smartboard, or if children do have access to devices, it could be shared with them to do individually or in pairs or groups. Alternatively, you could also choose to print these out, so it could be an offline resource. Sessions could be scheduled in for any convenient time of the week or used as part of PSHE. Also ideal if you're having to be reactive to an issue that has come up in a specific class. In the guide section, you will find a link to a teacher guide, as well as a link to the Education for a Connected World framework, which 2BeSafe is fully aligned with. Finally, there is a link to an assessment section where for each year group there are pre-made mind maps that can be opened up and used with the class if you choose to.